Hi there, how are you doing? I'm Fernando and welcome to Host 2B Academy. Today, I'll show you how to customize your Shopify collection page. First, let's access the Shopify dashboard. Next, we'll click on the online store button on the left. The themes page will open. Find your theme and click Customize. In the Shopify editor, look for the home page drop down at the top. Click it and select Collections from the new menu. Under Collections, click on the default collection option. This opens the collection page where we can start customizing. There's not much to customize on the collection page itself, but we can check out the options in the left sidebar menu. You'll see collection banner which controls the title area. Here we have the bestsellers section. Below is the product grid showing items in the catalog. First, we edited the collection banner. Clicking it shows the collection description if there is one. You can also add a collection image. It's recommended to use a 16:9 banner, which you can display here if you choose. Below you can pick a color scheme for the banner title. I'll keep the default. Next is the products section, where we can adjust some settings by clicking here. First is the number of products per page, currently 16. You can display up to 32 products per page or as few as 8. If you have over 36 products in a collection, or say 8, it'll show a number you can click to go to another page, so it's up to you. I'll leave it at the default of 8 as an example. You can choose the number of columns from a minimum of 1 up to 6 columns to display your products. I'll keep the default setting of 4 columns. Next, we can change the color. You can set a background color for products, and below we have the product card. Here you can configure the information, like choosing the image format, whether it's portrait or square. You can also change the appearance, like making it rounded or any shape you prefer. There are various options available. You can display a second image on hover, so when you hover, it'll show another image. You can add the supplier, show product ratings. You can add a quick add configuration button. By default, it'll be here, but you can set it and it'll add the add to cart button. You can set up the filter option. On the left we have filters where customers can filter by rating or price. You can disable it or keep it enabled. You can choose the filter layout, top or side or in a box. I'll keep it vertical here. You can set how filter ratings are displayed and you can configure mobile performance. So if you want, you can go to the top left, switch to mobile view and decide if it'll be 1 or 2 columns. I'll leave it as 1 column here, and this is how it'll look on mobile. These are the main collection settings you can adjust. You can add more sections to the collection page, but these are standard for all pages, not just one collection. So you can click add section and add whatever you want here. You can add more products, videos, you can add videos, text, basically anything you want, just like any other Shopify page, such as the home page. But at the top, before the sections, you'll see the product. Once you're done customizing your store on Shopify, just click the Save button in the top right corner. After clicking, you've successfully saved the changes. Now, when you access your store's collections, it'll show your customizations. There's a filter you can display. You can view pages and your customers can see the pages and products. You can adjust the pricing, and with that, you've now successfully customized your store's collection page. I hope this video helped. Bye.